from class 4 Bluebells, and the thought of the day is childhood should be carefree, playing in the sun, not living in the nightmare, in the darkness of the soul. A very pleasant morning to everyone. Today, me and my friends of class 4 Bluebells welcome you all to our class assembly on the topic of Anti-Child Labor Day. Thank you everyone. You have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. World Day Against Child Labor is celebrated annually on June 12th to highlight the plight of child labor and to promote efforts to eliminate child labor. The day was first proclaimed by the International Labour Organization ILO in 2002. Thank you.
Theme for World Day Against Child Labor Day 2024 is Let's Act on Our Commitment and Child Labor Day. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Jaspreet Kaur. Today I am here to speak about World Day Against Child Labor. Every 12th June, the world is united against child labor and raises awareness regarding labor and the serious issues. On this World Day against child labor, let's remember that child should be a time of joy, laughing and education together. We can break the chain of child labor and give them a better tomorrow. All the children deserve a good life where they got to the about fulfilling their dreams, not labor. Thank you. Every morning when the school bell rings with colorful backpacks and big happy smiles, young boys run inside, leaving one unhappy face behind, standing there with her tattered bag in hand, looking at the place where he wishes to go. It dreams about school every night.
Every evening, he works in a tea stall, cleaning tables and waiting on others. They beat him up and shout at him for every small mistake he does, not caring about those unhappy tears that trickles down his droopy face every few seconds.
The whole world neglects the little boy who only hopes for a carefree life and joy, but remain bound by the shackles of our slavery. Since poverty snatched away his happy memory of a stolen childhood that will never return that and pushed him the dark dull pit full of mystery. Thank you.
Stop child labor.
Stop child labor.
It's time to stop child labor and start child care. Let's pledge an oath that child labor is a terrible crime that we won't support. Thank you. Have a sparkling day.